Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, in 30 minutes. And you're going to find timelines down in the description. So choose the time frame depending your trading style. So, let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you, are you not yet subscriber, my friend? Why? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos, or you can even join us in Telegram if you want to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. So, let's start our lesson of today. As you see what the Bitcoin done today here, and that what happened today, it's normal because as majority of the people they've been with us for some time, they know Saturday and Sunday there is no big volume, so the market is staying here sideways for some time till today. At the mid of the day, you're going to see the Bitcoin started moving either up or either down. But for the past day, Saturday, that normal, the market is staying flat here. And also here in the daily, there is nothing was changed. We still have here that flag as we showed it to you before, like that. Until now, we're still waiting the break to happen here in the top, because as you see it, till now it couldn't break here in the top. So as we're still waiting what's going to happen in the coming days. And let's wait if it's going to give us here an inside bar, and we're going to wait in where it's going to go. And here what we got more here in the daily, I showed it to you before. I told you we got here a very clear head and shoulder. Look at it. I'm not going to draw on top of it for picture to get more clear to you. Over here that the first shoulder, over here that the head, and over here that the second shoulder as you see it, over here that the first shoulder, over here that the head, and over here that the second shoulder. The neckline, where is it? Is it here as you see it? Until now we couldn't break it. As you see it, we got here a trend line is very stronger here and here. And now we are in it here again. So even that one for long term, it needs to break here. Picture is too clear here. So what we need a candle to come to break here for the market to move upward. But me, I think it will not move in upward. I think there is a correction going to come because there is a divergence and majority of the people they still scattered. So we don't see big volume. All those people, they still waiting the second correction because in the history of the Bitcoin, there is before the bull run start, there is a fake out bull. Then after that, you're going to see the second bull run start. Me, I'm talking to you over here about experience because me, I've been from 2016 in the crypto world. So it's always doing like that. It's make the first bull run and it usually used to be a fake out, then after that it make the second one, then like that, doing always like that. That way you see them till now there is no big power. If the bull run start, you're going to see big volume enter into the market. And me, I tell it to you before, I show it to you like that. I told you also we still waiting the break to happen here in that level here. If the break happen here, 100% is the bottom, and if the Bitcoin close above that 50 moving average in the monthly, so 100% that the bottom, no one will take it from you. Now if that correction came, where is the Bitcoin? It will go maximum, it will come down to touch here that 200 moving average or the 50 moving average, which is here. That's the maximum where it will go. But also we don't care about that. Also what else we said like that. We make it, we came connecting those dots, those ones and those ones here. And we make it like that. We got here like a wedge. If that one came and breaking up here, that means it's going to break even here, that last high, which is here. And it's going to go, the other high which we got is that one at 30k, and that one is a very stronger level at 30k here. So if we break in that level here, that last one where we are going to go to 30k and no one will stop it. Over here, as you see it, look with me how I draw it. You came to the last peak where we reach where we are now actually. If we break it like that and the Bitcoin came again and tested like that, then it went up and breaking the last high, which is here, the other level where we're going to rest at 30k. That's it. Everything is too clear. But also here in the daily, what we got here in the daily, we got here that wage is getting broke here. It went up, it came back, it rested in it. Now it went up again as you see it. So everything here, it look healthy here in the daily, because let me show you everything here for picture to get more clear to you, because I know some people they just came now. Look with me here. What I'm going to do, we came here to those dots, those ones here, and we're drawing a line like that. And down here, we're drawing a line like that. So us here in daily, we used to have here a wage. That wage here is getting broke here, as you see it. So that one, the take profit of it, it needs to be here in the top here. That's what it need. And for us, what it done, he make like that. He came back. Now it's showing it's going up. That way, me I told you it's still going up. Yes, it's going to come resting and those things, but that's normal. But if we break in that level where we are now here, that one here, that's the other level. Look with me here. When I zoom it out, how is it the picture clear for you? You see it or no? Also, now we are in that level here. We are stuck. If we break it, we're going to go till 30k. If we break in 30k, the other level we got is it here. Those ones, the levels we got. So you need to be careful about those things, what I'm telling you. Focus about them. It might that one just a rested level because till now it try to give you here like a megaphone. Look at it. If you came like that and you do it like that, you got here a megaphone. Even that one, you can use it. If it's breaking here, it's going to go higher. So everything is based about the break here. If it doesn't, there is no entry long. So you need to wait till more what's going to happen in the coming days. I think everything is too clear here. Now it's going to see our indicator, what it's saying here in the daily. Why me? I'm still believing there is a correction going to come. Let me show you why. I'm still believing there is a correction going to come because of that one. Look with me here what we got. Over here, we got something not right. You see it or no? Look at our indicator here and look here. You see it or no? Over here compared to here. Over here it used to be higher. Here in that zone we used to be higher. Here we are lower. Here we are lower than the previous one. That meant that one. But in the chart we are higher than the previous one. That one. Should we enter short? No, my friend. We don't need to enter short. For us to enter short, it needs the market to come to break here. You see it how I draw it or no? You came to that peak. That one. For that point, that one, and that one. And you waiting. If the market came and break lower here, you can enter short. If it doesn't, there is no entry short. Even if we got here a divergence, everything is still the same. Because it might that one from here, it will go in upward and breaking for us the last high, which is here. That's why I told you it's not yet. You need to wait and more. And for people to be in with us for some time, what else we used to say here? Who controlling here in that level is the bull. Who controlling down here is the bear. That's it. Now, who is in charge now? Who controlling that market till now? What it's looking to you is the bulls. Yes, you are right. Look at it. It came upward here. It touched the overbought area. It make that rest like that. Then after that, now it's showing going back upward. So now it needs to go more higher to break for us that last high for us to know everything. It's looking healthy till now. Everything is too clear here. Now let's go in to see what the Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here. Remember that is only for swing trading. Over here, what else we said in the last video? We said we're still waiting either the market to give us here a double top like that, for us to enter short. That means the market to fall down till here for us to enter short. If it doesn't, there is no entry short. Or another scenario, the market to come and to break for us that last high, which is here, that one. That means it's going to give us another high. Then also we're going to enter long. Did the market done something of that? No, my friend. Look at it all the day. We staying sideways here in that level. So there is no entry short, no entry long. When the market is flat like that, there is nothing. And even if you came here to the volume, what you seeing? Over here, the volume, it used to spike when it used to be a trend from here till here. But now there is no volume. Even now, there is no volume, so the market doesn't move. That's the reason why you don't see there is no move. But what's going to happen now? After always, when the volume flat like this, is going to come a big move. Like, look with me here. I'm going to show it to you with example. Let's zoom it a little bit. Look with me here. Look here, where we used to be here in that zone, here. At that place. The volume, it used to be very flat. There is no volume here. Like, how is it? Now, in that level where we are. And even the chart, they tell you that. They came indecision candles. Some of them they pushing up, some of them they pushing down, but there is no volume in the market. What should you do now? You waiting a candle to come, to break here, and to break in the chart that last high, which is here. That's it for you to enter long. That's for long. For the short, what you need to do, if it came a red like that, and it's breaking for us that last low, which is here, for you to enter short again. I think I explained to you like it's never been done in YouTube. It's very simple like that. You see that moving average I got me here, that one. If a green candle came and break in here like that, you enter long. That's it. There is no one can explain to you all like that. By the way, if you want to find more in-depth technical analysis using the volume in our technical analysis course, visit in the first comment. You're going to learn everything. And by the way, if you're using the coupon link down, the course, it will not cost you that much. It's only 13 bucks. 13 bucks is the price of a cup of coffee those days, and it's worth more than you think and more than other courses you find online decided to you by $1,000 and $2,000. That course is more than 9 hours and it's going to teach you a lot of things. But it's up to you that if you want the course. If it doesn't, stay tuned with us here, and also we come to you every day. We analyze for you, and so like that you learn and you investing in the same time. So here in the 4 hours, we don't got nothing new here. Look with me here, that flag me I'm talking about. Look at it here. You see it or not? Look here, that flag how it is, or that channel. Name it whatever you want. The names doesn't matter. You can name it a channel from here to here. Then it came down, it touched here. Now it went up. Now either it's going to break up here or it's going to fall down to here. So also we're still waiting what's going to happen in the coming days. I think picture is too clear here. And here in the 4 hours, something very, very, very important happening. Let me show it to you. We have here the 50 moving average. It's crossed here. Now it's crossing up back upward. You see it or not? And the 200 moving average, what is it telling you here? It's telling you are in an uptrend here. Yes or no? In the daily, the 50 moving average is cross above. Here in 4 hours, it cross above. Now what we need? We need in the weekly and in monthly, the Bitcoin or the 50 moving average to cross above. In the monthly, we need a candle to close above 50 moving average. In the weekly, because in the weekly, now the 50 moving average, it make a dead cross, crossing down. We need it to cross above. That's it. That's a scenario. A second scenario, maybe it's going to fall down. And also we're going to enter with a short. That's it. Or maybe we're going to see the Bitcoin is coming back to touch the 200 moving average. Then after that to go up higher more. We don't care. Also we're still waiting now. Now you make a close eye at that level here. If we are going to break it and go more higher here, you enter long. That's it. Because look at the Bitcoin, what it give you here. High. Fall down here, it give you here a low. Maybe from here it's going to give you another high. Let me zoom it out for picture to get more clear to you. Look here. Here, also we being here in an uptrend. Bitcoin is resting here to the 200 moving average. If it came upward and breaking now, that last high which is here, and we are very close to break it now. If we break in here, it's going to go more higher. So here in the 4 hours, you are in an uptrend. You need to look at it very, very, very careful, that one. Everything is too clear here. Now it's going to see our indicator, what it's saying here. So it's going there. Here in our indicator, what we got here? We got here a divergence. I showed it to you in the last video. If you haven't watched it, go back and watch it. We got here a divergence, and even here in that place, we got another divergence. Let me show it to you here in the chart. You see it or not? Look here. In that place here, compare to here to the chart. What you see? Even here you got a divergence. Yes or no? What should you do now? Should you enter long? Should you enter short? Here in our indicator? No, there is nothing yet. Here in our indicator, you can make like that, like an uptrend like that. And maybe that one is going to fall down to touch here, then to go up again. Till now, us we still waiting. Yes, we got a divergence, very clear, but till now we don't got any price action telling us we need to enter short. Actually, us we got here in our indicator. Our indicator is spending more time here. Where is the bulls they controlling? Then where is the bears they controlling? You see it or not? Look at the picture. It's very clear in front of you. Look how long it's spending here compared to here. Here he just fall down here. Just once. He just touching here the oversold area. Then it went back upward. I think picture is too clear here. Now let's go to our other indicator. What it's saying. That one here, there is nothing new. Yes, we got here a smaller divergence like that. You see it. But even that one, it's not something you need to consider about, because till now we don't got any price action here. Telling us we need to enter short, so we need to wait and more. And me, what I told you in the last videos, people that been with us, I told you it's going to come to test here. And that's what it done. Now it's waiting if it's going to break here, that last high, for us to go more high with it. I think picture is too clear here. We don't need to make it too long. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here, in the last video, what I told you you came to that peak, that one, and that peak, that one. And you draw in there a line, and I told you that one is going to be for very aggressive people, and the Bitcoin it's showing here it's bracket. So if you are a very aggressive person, will have you enter short here and you put the stop lose here, because that for just for very aggressive people. And I told you, if you are conservative, you waiting the break to happen here down. So till now there is nothing, and as I show you in the 4 hours and the daily, the market is very flat. And here in 30 minutes, the market tried to give you here something very important. You need to look at it. Look with me here. The market tried to give you here like a head and shoulder here, as you see it. Not the first one. The second one, the market he tried to give you here like that, as you see it. We came to that peak, that one, and that one here, and we connected them. In the top, the market give you there a downtrend, and here down, the market he tried to give you here like a symmetric triangle, as you see it. Even that one, you can look at it. You waiting either the break to happen up or to happen down. But if you enter, you need to use stop lose, because we don't know exactly where it's going to go. And me, what I told you make it like that, and you waiting the break where it's going to be. Till now, that one it's still far away from it, and another scenario you can make like that. And I want the best scenario to avoid that noise here, to do like that, and to come in the top, and to do it like that. And you wait in either the market to break up here, or to fall down to break here, because till now the market is showing here. The market is very flat there. There is no going up, no going down. And also here, we're still above in the 200 moving average. So there is nothing new here. We need to wait and more. Now we can make it like that, as I show you now. You got here like a symmetric triangle. It's not that clear, but it tried to complete. As you see it, if you came to the down, that one, and in the top, you connecting those ones, you got here a symmetric triangle. But for you to enter short, I don't think so, because also still above in the 200 moving average, and the 200 moving average is a very stronger trend. So me, I told you, and that the best choice to take that one. If it came down here and break a lower here, that is going to be a very good scenario for you to enter short. Till now there is nothing clear here in 30 minutes, and my advice to you to wait until tomorrow. Try to find a price action going to appear. You can, even if you are very aggressive person, you can make like that. You got a small symmetric triangle here, as you see it. So those was the scenarios. For people, I told you yesterday over here, I told you if you are a very aggressive person, over here will have you enter short from that level here, and you put the stop loss of you here, just in that level here, depending on your money management, because for you to learn to scalp and day trade, you need to know what you're doing. So the stop loss of you, it needs to be either here, or either in top of that one, or either in top of that one, because depending on your money management and how much of your capital you're risking. So that's another story here. So till now, also we're still waiting what's going to happen. As I show you, it's breaking that trend line you used to have here. It's getting broke now here. And now here, for people they couldn't see that one, we got here a small symmetric triangle like that. Even that one, it could break up here for it go up, but that one, the take profit of it will not be that much. You just do it like that, and in the place where it's going to be broken, like here, it's going to be till here. But if it's breaking up, that the bull run start. So till now you got here in 30 minutes three things. Let me show it to you again. We got here a head and shoulder, as you see it, very clear head and shoulder here. Second one, you got here like a symmetric triangle like that, but that one, it hasn't touched the lower of it. The top, yes, it's been touched 3 times, but the lower it haven't. It's only touched here and here. That for conservative people, you do it like that. You came to that peak, that one, and you try to connecting them by a line like that, as you see it. And in the top, you came to that one, and that one, and you're connecting them with a line like that. So you got here a symmetric triangle. So you're waiting the break to happen up or down. I think picture is too clear here. Now let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, it's entered here to the overbought area. So technically now you need to looking for a short opportunity. Short, as I show you, got here that symmetric triangle. You waited for very aggressive people. They are short now. They need to put stop loss, and they need to wait in the market where it's going to go. I think everything is too clear here. So that's it for that video. And please don't forget to support us by just smashing that like button. And if you could, even writing down a comment. That's it. See you in another video. Bye for now, guys.